Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Are you hey okay? In your neck of the woods? What up? What up? Manners and respect, man. Are your girl Debbie from down her yard? So I have not been seeing me. I'm just so hoarse over the past days. Anyhow, welcome you all to the Jamaican kitchen. Welcome to the Jamaican cooking channel. Now today what I want to do for you is this here was my very first video on this channel. It was ackee and saltfish, and it was done with fried roti. Now I had done the ackee and saltfish, but I did not show how to do the fried roti. Now somebody seems to be a new subscriber. Big up yourself. I was so thrilled to read that comment, and I'm just gonna squeeze it in right now. Okay, so somebody, I think it's a new sub, yes, I was asking if there was a video for the fried roti, and when I checked I said honestly there wasn't, so I'm gonna squeeze it for you right in. You know, roti, it's from the Indians, but I'm not a good roti maker. So some years ago, probably about 20 something years ago, I said to an Indian woman, you know, I just can't get the roti right. And I was talking to her and she was telling me, and she said, you know, you can fry the roti too. She's an Indian, and she told me that I can fry the roti, and I started doing that and it came out fine. So I want to share it with you, okay y'all? And it was an Indian lady, not of the same one, that told me never you put thyme in your curry chicken. So I'm gonna develop that of my own. The curry belonged to the Indians, and she told me probably about 30 years ago or something like that, never you put thyme inside your curry, it takes away the flavor. And when I tried it with thyme and without thyme, I found it out. So now today I want to get in for you fried roti. Now what you'll need for this is the same thing as the fried dumpling, and the fried dumpling videos are up from in depth from scratch. So you'll need all-purpose flour, you'll need salt, baking powder, and simply plain tap water. So I'm gonna leave the link for you in the description, or you go about making your fried dumpling. And this is the same thing. So inside here I have 2 cups of flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder. If you're using double acting, it would be 1 teaspoon, and a pinch of salt. I probably like a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and simply plain water. So I'm gonna proceed now to make the dough. My hands are clean, but I'm still gonna give my hands a rinse. And you know your hands must be properly clean, washed with soap. Mine was properly washed with soap, so I'm just rinsing it to show you all, to demonstrate to you all. Your hands must be clean and they must be properly dry. So we're gonna proceed now to make this dough. So it was pre-sifted, so I don't have to incorporate. So when you sift it with the baking powder and the salt, everything incorporates, okay? And you trap some air inside of it to let your dough be lighter, okay y'all? So now, you know, you have to, some people say make a well, I don't really make. But remember, you don't throw all the water at once, okay? So get right in camera, girl. So as soon as you find it look like this, you pour a little until you get it to the desired texture or consistency that you want the dough. Okay? Wow. I hope we don't spoil. Wow. And remember, I showed you, if your dough gets spoiled, all you need to do is just add a little extra flour. And look here, seems as if we just made it. No problem if you throw a little extra water, because sometimes some of it and the nerves now go on so right in it. So that will happen. So if you feel like it get too soft, you have your flour here, you just sift a little more. No more baking powder, no more salt in it. So you want to use your dough, because when you're mixing your dough, the container, when your dough is properly mixed, the container that you mix the dough in must be clean. Okay? Must be clean. So you want to proceed now to get your dough into a ball. Like a big cartwheel dumpling, I want to put it together like this. and you're gonna leave it. You don't have to oil it or anything. You're gonna leave it inside here just to let it rest. Okay? Just to let the dough rest for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, we'll return and we'll show you how we roll out the dough. Small portions. I'm sorry for my croaking voice, y'all, but I know you will forgive me. And we'll show you, we'll proceed to roll out our dough, and I'll show you how you cut it to fry your roti. Okay, y'all?